The Scotch-Brite dish wand is a versatile and effective tool for efficiently cleaning dishes. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing, I can confidently say that this dish scrubber is worth every penny. The first thing that stands out about the Scotch-Brite dish wand is its brand reputation. Scotch-Brite has long been recognized as a reliable and trusted name in cleaning products. With their commitment to quality, you can rest assured that this dish scrubber is built to last. The gray color of the dish wand adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen. It blends seamlessly with various kitchen decors, making it a stylish addition to your dishwashing arsenal. The handle of the dish wand is made of sturdy plastic, ensuring a comfortable grip during use. This feature is particularly important when tackling tough stuck-on food residues. The handle is ergonomically designed, allowing for easy maneuverability and reducing hand fatigue. The specific use of this product is for dishwashing.
The Scotch-Brite glass and water bottle brush is a versatile and reliable tool that proves to be an essential addition to any household. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing and extensive writing expertise, I can vouch for the effectiveness and quality of this product. Crafted by the renowned brand Scotch-Brite, this glass and water bottle brush is designed to provide exceptional cleaning results. The brush features a sturdy plastic handle that offers a comfortable grip, making it easy to maneuver and clean hard-to-reach areas. One of the key features of this brush is its specific use for water bottles and bottles. Whether you need to clean reusable water bottles, baby bottles, or sports bottles, this brush is designed to handle all types. The soft yet durable bristles effectively remove dirt, grime, and residue, ensuring a thorough clean. Measuring at 2.3 inches in length, 2.3 inches in width, and 13 inches in height, the product dimensions of the Scotch-Brite glass and water. Brand Scotch-Brite material. Plastic recommended uses for product scrubbing. Surface recommendation. Plastic color blue. Special feature, non-scratch item package. Quantity 1. Included components 1 into dish scrub wand, 7 into refill pads. Product dimensions 10.25, L into 5, W into 3.5. The model name, dish wand kit. The Scotch-Brite non-scratch dish wand kit is a fantastic addition to any kitchen, providing a convenient and effective solution for all your scrubbing needs. As an experienced product marketing expert with over 10 years of writing experience, I can confidently say that this product is worth considering. One of the key features of this dish wand kit is its non-scratch capability. The specially designed material ensures that it won't leave any unwanted scratches on delicate surfaces, making it suitable for use on plastic. This is particularly valuable when dealing with expensive or easily damaged kitchenware, as it provides peace of mind while cleaning. The package includes 1 dish scrub.
The Munchkin-registered trademark, Bristle trademark bottle brush is a reliable and efficient tool for all your bottle cleaning needs. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing and writing, I can confidently say that this bottle brush stands out among its competitors. One of the standout features of this product is its bristles. Made of high-quality nylon, they are sturdy and durable, ensuring thorough cleaning without scratching or damaging the bottles. The bristles are also designed to reach all corners and crevices of the bottle, leaving it spotless and hygienic. The handle of the brush is made of rubber, offering a comfortable and secure grip. This makes it easy to maneuver and apply the necessary pressure while cleaning. The rubber handle also adds an element of flexibility, allowing for better control and access to hard-to-reach areas. Measuring at 4.5 inches in length, 2.75 inches in width, and 11.5 inches in height, this bottle brush is compact and convenient to use. Its size ensures
Dr. Brown's Baby Bottle Cleaning Brush is an essential tool for all parents looking to maintain cleanliness and hygiene for their baby's feeding accessories. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing and writing, I am pleased to provide a professional review for this product. The Dr. Brown's Baby Bottle Cleaning Brush is designed to meet the needs of parents who prioritize cleanliness and ease of use. The brush is made up of high-quality plastic material, ensuring durability and longevity. The plastic handle offers a comfortable grip and allows for easy maneuverability. One of the standout features of this product is its versatility. The brush can be used for various purposes, including cleaning bottles, sinks, and even in dishwashers. This makes it a convenient and practical tool for busy parents who value efficiency. The dimensions of the brush, measuring at 2L into 2W into 10H, make it compact and easy to handle. It can fit into small spaces, making it suitable for travel.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.